I'm going to do some luggage tags. I had another set that was already cut out that I believe Anne sent me these. It's leather. It's gorgeous. Just stunning. So I have all 3 sizes. And I have the tags. So the first thing we're going to do is I put the buckle on. And I have a full video out there, but I just thought I'd go ahead and do these since I had them already. I'm using a dome buckle, but you put that in there and then you have the top like this. And then when we're ready to put it on, you just put it through and it goes through one of your holes. Let's see, let me find a hole here. And then you're done. Very easy. Okay, so let me go press these and then we'll sew them up. It takes less than 10 minutes. All right, so you do need a tool for dome rivets. It looks something like this. So, and then you need a little tray. So the dome part goes on the top and is covered by this little piece. That's all there is to it. They're so cute. I really like the dome rivets, except they're very small, so they're kind of hard to manage. All right, so now we're gonna, for the small, you measure down just a little bit. She tells you in the pattern, and we're gonna start here, sew all the way around, and stop at the same point. There's very little stitching on these. I'm using about a 3.5 inch stitch length. And I'm just going to back stitch. That's all the stitching there is. I mean, imagine you giving these as gifts for birthdays or holidays. I mean, people would love them. They don't have to be, this happens to be leather, but they don't have to be leather. And then you put your little tag in here and laminate it if you want to. But these are 2 pieces. Let me take them apart so you can see. So these are 2 pieces. Oh, I have them glued. So there's 2 pieces you put together. And this one is ready to have the tag. So here's the front with the tag. You put this in upside down, up just like this. Up and through the buckle. Back down into one of the holes. And I usually use the second hole. And there you have a luggage tag. You don't have to take the buckle off to see whose luggage it is. You just lift that up. It's so nice. All right, let's do this medium one. And on the medium one, you measure down just a little farther. And on the large one, you measure down even further. Okay, 2 done. Wrong side of my tag on the front. Put it through. And she gives you the template for the name tag in the middle because it also has a hole so it won't fall out. Almost done. Yep. Let's do the large. This got, I don't want a bunch of thread on the back there. Let me clean it up. There we go. Let's try it again. I didn't hold my threads. And that's it. Okay. I'm just gonna burn my threads. Okay, so here's the front. The luggage tag inside, up and through the tiny buckle, and back down. These buckles I do sell on my website. I have them in 4 colors, so there you go. There's one, that's the large, here's the medium, and here's the small. So how easy was that? You can make these in probably less than 30 minutes once you cut them out and sew them up. What a great, great gift. But I sell these in light gold, silver, antique brass or bronze, brushed bronze, and then gunmetal. So I have a limited amount of stock. I don't have tons because I didn't know how they do. So, but I just have those 4 colors. They are on my website. I'll link them below. That's all there is to it, guys. I'm gonna go cut out some tags and I'll put those tags in here. Talk to you soon. Be sure to click thumbs up. Thanks, guys. Bye-bye.